Hi friends, welcome to GT Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about conditions in JavaScript. I have already uploaded some of the basic tutorials on JavaScript, and in this video, we are going to look at if and else in JavaScript. So let's get started. So I'm using this text editor called Visual Studio Code, and I have my console on the right, and I also have an app.js file, and I have included it over here. So let's get started. So let's say we have a variable called is raining, and we set it to true for now. So this is a Boolean variable, and if we type if is raining equals true, then console.log, that is, we will print something on the right, and we will say it is raining. And if it is not the case, then we want to print something else. So for that we have to type else, and in that we will type console.log it is not raining. So we can see that it is printed it is raining over here because our is raining variable is set to true. And now if we set it to false, we can see it is not raining is displayed. So when we have a Boolean variable over here, we don't really need to have this part right here. So I'll just delete it, and if I save it again, we get the same result. If you set it to true, we get that it is raining. So this is how a basic if condition is set up. So we have to first of all type the if keyword and then the condition that we want, and then we have to specify what we want to do if the condition is true inside these curly braces, and after the else we can print or type whatever we want to do if the condition is not true. So now let's look at another example. So let me have a variable called day, and in that I will type the name of day in a week. Here I have created this variable using let. So this is a new keyword in ES6. We will discuss the differences of let and var in a different video. So in this example, it's not going to matter at all. So let's check if the day is Sunday, then we will have to print something, and if the day is Monday or Tuesday, we will print something else, and if it is any other day, we will print something else. So for that we have to have three different conditions. So first of all, we'll type if day equals Sunday, we'll console.log and print it's Sunday, enjoy. So this is what we'll print if we have the day to be Sunday, and if it is Tuesday or Monday, we'll print something else. So for another if statement, we can type else if, and here we will type day equals Monday, or this is how you write or, and day equals Tuesday. So if these are the days, then we will type work. So this is what we will print when the days are Monday or Tuesday, and if it is any other day, we'll just print enjoy. So we can see that we have the day to be Sunday, and we can see this condition, this block of code is executed, and it is printing that it is Sunday. And if we type Monday over here, we can see we get this print statement over here, and if we type Tuesday, we can see we get the same result, and if we type any other day, we get this result over here. So this is how multiple if statements are created, and we can also have if statement inside another if statement. So if we have this day to be Sunday, and inside that we have we can have something like if work equals pending, and we can have multiple if statements inside an if statement. So if we have a lot of if statements like this, we can switch over to another keyword called switch. So we can write this same if statement a little more elegantly using switch. So we will type switch, and in this parenthesis we have to type the variable name that we are using for the condition. So we'll type day, and here we have different cases for different outputs that we want. So the first case is Sunday. So if we have the day to be Sunday, we'll just put a colon over here, and here we will type whatever we want to print or do. So here we'll just type it's Sunday, enjoy. And after each cases you have to type break over here, and if you don't type break, all the cases after the positive case will be executed. So we don't want to do that. If the day is Sunday, we don't want to execute any other case, so we have to put this break over here. And the next case is Monday or Tuesday. So we can have multiple cases like this. So we will just type case Monday and case Tuesday, and here we will type console.log, and don't forget to put break. And then for all the other cases we have to type enjoy. So we can do this in switch statement by typing a keyword called default. So this is used when any of these cases are not satisfied, then this block of code will be executed. So I will just type console.log and type enjoy. So we will get the same result as we had over here with this line of code, but it looks a bit more easy for the reader to read the code. And if you have a lot of if statements like this, then it's a good idea to change it to a switch statement. So both of these codes do the same exact thing, so we'll just check it out. So I will just save my file. We can see we get enjoy 2 times. This is from line number 8. So this is a line of code, and this is from line number 20. So this line of code is executing. We'll just change it to something else and see if everything is working all right. And we'll press save, and we can see it's Sunday enjoy from line number 4. So this is the line, and it's Sunday enjoy from line number 13. So this is it. So this is how conditions are written in JavaScript, and I hope that you have understood how to use if, else and switch in JavaScript. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.